This is Alex, the rail fanning redneck here. I'm in Plant City, Florida. Palmetto sub rail fanners over there, and another rail fanners over here. We have CSX intermodal train Q045 that's coming from Jacksonville to Tampa. I hope you guys enjoy. $139 and $78.69. Oh, my hat came off. There it goes. CSX train Q045 heading to Tampa's Yeoman Yard. And he had two YN2 locomotives on it, the leader being an AC44 and the trailing unit being a DAS 8 7800 series. From Plant City, Florida, this is Alex, the rail fanning redneck at night, and here I am, and I'm out.